Cool, that is live. YouTube is live too. Okay. Huh, what'd you say? There's me testing. All right. Hi everyone. Hello, good morning or afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Welcome to episode 2 of We Compete to Make the Dumbest Apps. So I'm here with Snowy and Silo. We've already made the apps and we're going to present them to a panel of judges. Z might come in some time, who knows? And then, unfortunately, Sumner, I couldn't make it today because he had some personal issues, but he actually made his app, so he actually showed us to us in the behind the scenes. It was pretty crazy. But anyways, we're here with our judges, our coders. I'm going to have them introduce them, and then we'll start the pitches. Okay, I'm turning on audio for everyone. All right, hey guys, let's start with the coders. Silo, can you introduce yourself, please?
Hello guys, my name is Silo. I have been coding for almost 10 years now and I am currently in college specializing in AI. So I hope that today's pitch will go perfectly as I planned and nothing blows up.
Yeah, totally. Hi, Snowy, can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, good morning. I, Yadi, my name's Snowy. Call me Snowy. uh, that's all I got, really. Not good at intros.
Okay, thank you. Hi, Cherry, can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, everybody. I'm Cherry, and I'm one of the guest panel judges today. There's not much to say, but I hope y'all have fun.
Yay. Also, here's a question I'm going to ask most of the judges. What do you think makes a dumb app?
I think a dumb app is an app that's useless, but also funny.
Oh, it has to have humor.
Exactly.
Okay. Hey, Alex, can you introduce yourself, please? And Alex has good audio this time.
Okay, sure thing, eh? Hello, everyone. I'm your favorite kitten sister, improvisator, Alex Terrell. And I'm a returning judge now, as I've already been a judge now in a previous episode. Nice to meet you, everyone. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What do you think a dumb app is?
Well, for me, a dumb app can be literally anything, from the coolest thing ever to the most unhinged one. But I mostly appreciate the creativity of them all. I mostly appreciate the creativity. Even if it's dumb, creativity is mostly appreciated.
Creativity. I think we said this last time, but you
Yep.
can't just make like a button on the screen, right? It has to be like cookie cooker, something stupid like that. Creativity. All right. Hey, Levy, can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, I'm Levi. Much like Snowy, I'm
Oh, sorry, it's
awful at
Levi.
intros.
Oh, what do you think a dumb app is?
um, Honestly, kind of like Cherry. It's something that's not totally useful, but it's fun.
Hmm, very nice. All right, that's all the intros. Yeah, we can actually get right to the pitches. Silo, are you ready to present? I can unshare my screen.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, let's go. So Silo actually
Let me
has
open my PowerPoint.
2 projects, so he's gonna go first and then last. Allegedly, the second project has to go last because it'll destroy his computer. Okay, watch stream.
Yeah.
Ooh, there you are.
Up.
Cool. So people can see your screen now, and your avatar's on screen now. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay, so basically, I am here working on a small, like an AI firm which is going to be non-profit, as we can see right here. It started by me on GitHub. I have not done any copyrighted things, so anyone can claim it. Hopefully, that does not happen. What is our goal? Our goal is to make like simple projects that other people can integrate into their own like larger projects. So like currently we are working on these projects, as you can see. First one is newer BP. This one is going to be shown today, and then we have a newer Linux. It's like a Debian based Linux distro which I'm designing on my own. So that's another mess. And then we have our own AI VTuber, which is also in planning. Then this is like basically how the BP tokenizer works. So in a nutshell, our BP tokenizer is trained on 12.5 million characters, which they are individual characters. Like if you say hello, hello is broken down into 5 individual characters, HELLO. So we did that, and then after we had to make pairs for them. So it took us like 25 million pairs and approximately 20 hours of training to make this. And we will like also make it into a Python package. So why should you use it? Well, it's
Wait,
going to
Silo, I
support
have
the
a
development of our
question.
AI model. Yep.
What the heck is a BPE tokenizer?
So basically, it's like you know like how you say many common words in a day. Like you say how are you doing, and if you say that you say you are and other those words which are very common. So basically, tokenizer is like converting words into numbers because, as you know, computers don't understand words; they understand numbers. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So basically, what we are doing is separating those in words into characters, and then those characters are paired up, and then they are converted into tokens. Tokens are basically like ASCII values for now. I'm just gonna say that, and then we pair up those ASCII values, and then we cluster them. So basically, hello gets converted into like HELLO. It will convert into HE comma LL comma O space.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the basic. And if we do that, we can make words also. Like if I were to do separate this, it will go NE, then URA, and then BPE will be in its own word. So basically breaking down words into their own separate tokens. Is that what byte pair encoding tokenizer does, or BP tokenizer?
Okay, so this is the tech used behind like ChatGPT and like other
Yeah,
LLM AIs, right?
yep,
Okay.
yep.
Okay, thanks. Go ahead.
So why should you use it? Well, it will support the development of our AI model. It's easy to use for research and development, and please use it because I will be sad if you guys don't use it because it took very long time to make. I will be at your windows. Anyways, let's continue. How is this dumb, you may ask? like there is already tokenizer available. If you like download it, they are already packages from Hugging Face. So basically, that those are very efficient. But our tokenizer is pretty dumb, as you can see given in the example right here. Our tokenizer is dumb for now. I'm gonna emphasize on this because we are gonna work on it. It can't even like group up these characters. So like let's say you and I are gonna be converted into these numbers 340 and 341. But our tokenizer breaks it down into 6398 and 117 and 309 and 101. So basically U is represented by this array and R is represented by this array, which is very inefficient if you go into matrix multiplication, which is done in like transformers models. So that's basically it, why it is dumb. And so this is like the total time it took. I was sitting there for days without coffee. Someone please send help. And so like this is basically the original one which had a lot of issues, as you can see. HELLO is broken down into H 72, 101, 108, 108, and it's basically a whole lot of mess. So how do I exit this? Where is it? Oh, not this, not that. Okay, no, ignore that. Yep, okay, there we go.
All right. So
Don't
to be
mind the
clear,
tank.
wait, Silas. So to be clear, you made a feature of ChatGPT that's way worse than anything in the market right now. So you're going up against like OpenAI and Claude.
Yep.
Very nice. I think I understand.
Well, we are working on it. What? Hello, my name. Okay, I need to enter that exact sentence. I think that's what I demonstrated right there. My name is Silo. Oh, someone joined and left. Okay, so basically, as you can see, if I were to do this again, you can see like how long it is. Yeah,
Yeah,
the length
very
of the
long.
array. Yep, and this is the latest one that I have fixed. Much shorter. The
Wow.
exact same sentence was entered. So I can also share its link. You guys can use it. And anyways, that's like all for my presentation. I'm gonna stop the screen share now. Where is it? Oh,
Wow.
damn it.
All right. Thanks, Silo. So basically, he made a part of ChatGPT that's way worse than anything on the market right now, and he proved that it was worse. Very cool.
So basically, it relates.
Yep, there's also a
words
link
into numbers,
provided in the
right?
chat so you guys can use it.
It relates words into numbers, right? And vice versa.
What?
So Alex says it relates words into numbers, right?
Yep.
Can you do the reverse
Okay.
too?
Yeah, so like it has two parts, encoder and decoder. I think I forgot to emphasize on the decoder part, so let me screen share really quick again.
Okay.
Oh wait.
Okay, so as you can see, okay.
Oh, nothing. I was just saying Z is here. I just know Z is here. Hi, Z.
Oh my
Oh.
god, I'm so sorry I'm late. So I
Oh.
set my
Don't
alarm
worry.
for.
Don't worry.
This is so embarrassing. This has never happened to me before. I set my alarm for 8:40 p.m. instead of a.m. And I literally just woke up.
Don't worry.
Oh my goodness. It's okay. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for coming. Wait, let me put you in the judge seat. Let me get your PNG tuber. Okay, so you're here. Okay.
So like, should I do the demonstration again or something?
You can actually summarize it again for Z, actually. I think she might actually understand what you're saying. How do I
Yeah,
put her
maybe
behind
like
this
a
chair?
3-sentence summary.
Okay.
Well, yeah. While I'm putting her behind this
I'm
chair.
gonna
Okay.
I'm gonna start from the this slide.
Okay, Z's in a chair now. Let me go back to Silo. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, so basically I made a tokenizer, as you can see right now. It's called Neura BPE. It's it's used in our upcoming AI model named Josh or Neura. It will depend. May have to use Josh because someone related to this name already exists. Like it's very close. Anyway, so this was trained on 12.5 million individual characters, which were like clustered into pairs of two. So you can say 25 million uh, starting pairs. So that this is like basically the whole summary. And how is it done? So like my tokenizer breaks down U and R into an array of these two numbers. Like these two respective arrays are for like U gets broken down into this and R gets broken down into this. But if it was really efficient, it would have like converted this whole thing into a single number instead of two arrays. I mean, yeah, two separate arrays. So that's that, and basically this is the time it took for me to make the whole thing from starting to the end, including the training. The training alone took 20 hours. And so like this is an example, as you can see right here. Here it's saying my name is Silo, I'm a streamer and a programmer. And this is the array we are getting. So in the latest version, which I have improved, if I were to like clear that and paste it, you can see it's the exact same sentence, but we are getting a shorter output, which is like kind of good, but it's still bad as compared to GPT tokenizer. And so what we're doing is first we are encoding it up here. This is the encoded values, and then after that we are decoding it back. The whole thing is available in open source. If I go in the code, so basically here we have our encoding function, and then here we have our decoding function. These two are responsible for showing the output. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Mm. Yeah, so my 4 or 5-year-old summary of this is he basically made the tech behind ChatGPT and other LLMs, but it's way worse than anything on the market right now, and he proved it.
That's great. This is so cool.
Yeah.
That's one way of putting it for sure.
As we can put it, it's really dumb. Would you agree?
I think it's pretty dumb. Like it's going up you're going up against OpenAI and Claude and with not a good product.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Considering that this is probably incomparable to ChatGPT, I was wondering, was there anything fun that you learned in the process of making this?
Yeah, so I basically I'm like a student in AI. I'm currently in college, so I eventually have to learn all of this stuff. And since I did this already, I'm going to be ahead of my class peers, and it's going to be much more fun. Basically, that's and also I learned how to make encoder and decoder, so that's also a good thing. I can now use it in cyber security if I want to, like encode it
Whoa.
into an array and then convert that into hexadecimal and then use it later.
Wow. You're really behind on life thanks to this product. Okay. Do any of the sharks want to bid on this product? Like, oh yeah, Silo, how much are you asking for this product? Like what percent for what percent of your company?
I would like to ask to raise for $1,000 plus one banana.
One banana.
Come again? What do you say?
He says-
To friend banana? I didn't
He's-
get the rest, I'm not gonna write.
He says 400K plus one banana for what percent of his company?
Ooh,
Okay,
that sounds
okay.
like a good offer. I don't know. I want to hear from the other judges.
Wait, you want them to give you money and a banana for no percent of your company?
No, no. What I'm saying is like I would like to know what the other judges think, and then I will choose.
Oh, you want them to put out offers first. All right.
Yep.
Any sharks have offers for this amazing product?
Look at you. 1,000 for 10%.
Whoa,
1,000 what?
bananas.
1,000 plus 10 bananas.
I like the 1,000 bananas idea.
Okay. 1,000 bananas, but they're plated in 24 karat gold.
Oh,
Oh.
Now we are talking.
wow.
Since we are already in the territory of golden, can we go for like golden apples?
Golden apples. Let's
Whoa.
see. I don't know, man. If it's
I would like to
apples,
prefer them to be enchanted.
enchanted golden apple. Okay.
Yep.
For 10% of your company, I can only give you 73 golden enchanted apples.
Oh.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Oh.
Perfect. We have a great
Let's go.
deal
Congratulations, Silo.
here. So what are you gonna do with the
Thank you.
enchanted golden apples?
I don't know.
Wait, what percentage of your company did she have?
10.
10%. Yay, okay. Sounds like a sweet deal to me.
Think I counter offer?
Oh, sure, go ahead.
Okay, I offer you $50,000 pinball machine and a crate full of bananas for 50% of your company. What do you think?
I don't understand. I heard 50%.
What, he said 50K plus a crate of bananas or something.
50K, a pinball machine, and a crate full of bananas for 50% of your company.
I don't know. The golden apple deal sounds much better.
Yeah, Alex, where's your gold in the bananas?
I don't know, you just randomly mentioned bananas and I went on and I went on I jumped into and that bananas thingy.
Oh, Alex typed in chat, he says, I offer
Pinball
50K, a pinball machine, and a crate of bananas for 50%. Oh, so the catch is the pinball machine here. What? Is the pinball machine made of gold, Alex?
Imagine you are playing paintball with the golden apple.
Hey, if the pinball machine is made of gold, I think he might have competition with Cherry's deal.
Yeah.
Well, it might be made of
I don't
gold.
think so.
It might be made of gold, eh? Who knows?
He says it might be made of gold. Okay.
So basically a blind box.
Yeah, it's like a loot crate, like a gotcha.
What are the chances of getting a gold pinball machine?
It's like 50%. Are you gonna roll it?
So 50-50.
Okay.
Silo, what do you think?
So you think it happened?
Only I cannot understand him or my ears are bad.
Oh yeah, I barely understand him either. It's because I sometimes watch his stream, so I can kind of understand him.
Bro, you are not supposed to adapt that way.
Wait, so what do you think about his
Evolution is going
deal?
in the wrong direction. I think the golden apple deal is much better. Like I do
No.
prefer gambling, but I will be safe for now.
Oh. Okay, well, congratulations.
I don't have have golden apple stuff for you. Sorry about that. I already spent a lot in the previous episode.
What?
Wait, can you type what you just said in the chat? It might be a bit fast.
Yes. I said that I cannot offer you golden apples.
Oh, he has golden apples
I
too.
already spent a lot in the previous episode. If you guys remember.
Hmm.
How much golden
Hmm.
apples?
Said he can't offer golden apples because they were spent on a previous episode.
Yeah.
Oh, oh yeah. Last
Ah.
episode, he gave me 10 sextillion dollars.
In that case, can you even like spend money?
Yeah, I did.
I think that's where all his budget went, guys.
Looking at that, I think I might
Okay,
have
alright.
already done.
So
I-
throw in
I think I
$10
might have
voucher
already
for
done.
Vegas gambling, and I may consider it.
You would rather have a $10 voucher than a pinball machine? That's 50%.
I mean, along with that.
Along with that. Oh,
Yep.
wait, what do you think about that, Alex? If you throw in a $10 gambling ticket to Vegas, he'll take the deal maybe.
Come again, eh? I wasn't paying much attention. Sorry.
Oh, if you add a $10 gambling voucher to Vegas to your deal, he might take it.
Okay. It's a deal.
Oh, what do you think about that, Silo?
Can we have a Google Translate in here, please?
No, he said it's a deal for him.
Okay, I mean, I'm sorry, Z, but that sounds more efficient to me. I can now drown my company in debt and then close it and be free.
Wow.
Wow.
So it's a deal?
Yep.
Oh,
Great.
let's go. Congrats, Alex. Congrats, Silo.
Thank you so
Congrats.
much.
All right.
Make sure to
Now-
put it all on red.
Now that's what I call negotiation.
Well, no, I'm already in the red since the previous episode.
Yeah, all your money is with me now, mostly. Woo, but congratulations.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Snowy, are you ready to present?
I guess so, as ready as I'll ever be.
Okay, or do you want to go after me so you have more time to prepare?
I don't think I can sell this any better than I want to. So I'm really hoping for the best here.
Okay. You can share your screen then, and anytime you're ready.
All right, this is gonna look really scuffed. So leave my scuff alone.
It's okay. We're seated for this.
All right. So I've been trying to make sure that I got everything right. I went out of my way to destroy my main because I wanted to look really cursed and I forgot what I was doing, and so I was trying to read over everything that was happening, and I remembered I couldn't. Okay, so the idea I want to sell you guys a calculator that not only remembers you but also gives you actual responses. The only problem, I don't know anything about AI or LLMs, so this task was way out of my venture. It was something I could not do. But I tried my best, and this is the cursed code that you can see. It's essentially just, a calculator that should have had a model attached to it that I could figure out how to fix. Now, the idea is that I wanted to give you a calculator that is not only going to be a friend to you, but also understand the fact that it's as bad as bad at math as you are. So it has a 1 in 10 chance of being right. And once it's right for the first time, it asks you if the answer is always correct. And then from that point on, it has a 9 in 10 chance of being wrong. So that was the entire idea. That was the entire expression. I lost myself in it. I completely lost what I was doing. At some point, I added achievements. I don't know what I was thinking. There was just so much going on that I completely forgot what was happening. But that was the entire premise. And I started trying to build the GUI. Now, I also do not know how to build a GUI. I built it in the wrong state. So I actually couldn't get it to attach. And then I had to redo everything all over again. But instead of actually redoing things, I just took what I had and I just put it into another program and I was hoping it worked. So that is where I am currently. I've been drowning and trying to fix this for the last 3 hours, and there's no GUI. I get memory error codes, and this is where we're at. Is there any questions about what I attempted? I wish I had more to show for it.
But
Other
hey,
than
it's
my
okay.
regular
With the right
calculator.
funding, it could be something like extraordinary, right?
I got a question. What was the original plan for the app? What was your original plan? What was your original plan?
So the original plan was that I was going to create a simple calculator that is wrong 1 out of 10 times. Wait, that is right 1 out of 10 times. What the issue happened is that you were supposed to be able to respond to the calculator normally, and it would give you actual responses back. I started leaning into learning how to sync it up with an actual LLM, and then I got distracted and I played League for like a month straight. So that's where my brain went.
It looks like you deviated away from your original plans, right?
So basically, you were addicted to League of Legends. That
Yeah,
explains it.
my crippling addiction stopped what I was gonna do. Now, I did make a pseudo AI that does in fact comment on the things you're doing, so it's kind of nice. It's kind of it kind of works. It also is time consuming to write all the comments for it, and so it's just listen. At this point, I'm just asking for you guys to take this off my hands and fix it. Now. No,
Wait,
that
low
is-
key. Low key. I would want to take this off your hands.
What?
I'll take the deal. That's a good
Wait,
deal.
but I have a question.
Yes.
What would the achievements do?
That's a good question. So originally, every time that you to have the calculator remember what you did, it would keep down like all the comments and tally marks of how many times you opened it, how many times you used it. I don't think I implemented the achievements. I was like, it would be funny to add an achievement, right? I don't know why 25 was so funny to me. I think it was a SpongeBob reference. I can't remember. The obvious funny numbers. And of course, the only other number that's fair. I don't remember what I did to melt the AI. At some point, it was supposed to just not function. And then I got a memory error, and I was like, I'll fix it another day. And then I loaded up League, and that is where my brain.
Okay.
I also didn't actually add advanced mathematics onto there, so it's basic math. You may not know this. Well, maybe I am very bad at math. Sometimes I look at numbers and I just can't I don't know. Like if you give me like 13 and 25, I'll look at it and be like, sit there for a little bit, not understand what's going on. Yeah. So I mean, I guess I built this for me. I didn't want to be alone and being bad at math.
Wait, but I think okay, I think I'm gonna make an offer because
Whoa.
I may be more knowledgeable in math. And this offers a unique opportunity to gamify um basics of math, you know?
Uh-huh. What's your offer? I want to hear this.
Wait, what was your original offer?
Take it off my hands so I don't have to look at it anymore.
So no.
My sanity. You're trading my sanity for this contraption.
In that case, to step up the offer, I think you would have to technically pay me, right?
Wait, hold on.
Now that's
That
I mean,
doesn't
I'll give
sound
you a
very
half
fair.
eaten banana.
Oh wait, that sounds way more tempting. Ooh. I came here. Alright, go ahead.
I say I will give you the ability to name a banana-shaped galaxy.
Ooh.
Oh.
Where is that? Where is this galaxy?
I don't know, it could just be like a random galaxy and you could just say, ah yes, this will be named this now.
It just pooped into existence.
Yeah.
That sounds very tempting, but I needed to know if it's north or south. I need to.
Wait, there's plenty of
Do I get-
banana-shaped galaxies. You could choose whatever.
It's Whis.
Okay. It's Whis? Oh, we got a
Yes,
deal. I'll
Whis.
shake your hand on that.
Oh my
Please.
goodness.
It's Whis.
That's very nice. I'll take that.
Wow, congrats. Wow. I can't believe it.
but I want to tread carefully because we didn't say the app in actual inception, so I'm giving you $1,000 for 10% of your company.
1,000 for 10%. I'm getting offered a banana galaxy. It named in my honor.
Yes.
Wait. I will buy you a $25 star that you can name.
A $25
For
star. Can I see it?
50% of your company.
Wait,
Company.
50%. I don't even have a company. I
It's literally just the app.
Okay. Well, can I just like give you that for like the concept of your app so that I can use it for my own creation?
the concept's not even copyrighted. You could just take this. I know you. I know how you work.
So
I just really like the idea of a calculator that's dumber than me.
me too.
It's such a good idea. I'm telling you.
I would have never thought of this if I'm being honest.
All right. Well, these are all tempting offers, but the banana naming galaxy is hands down what I think I'm gonna go with.
Let's go!
Let's go. Congratulations. Woo.
Yay!
All right, see?
It's like a collab offer though.
No,
I
it's
said
great.
Everyone gonna
It's
take
great.
it off.
It was in the Whis.
I'll go package it. I'll hand it out to everyone.
Okay. Congrats, Z. Congrats, Snowy.
Thank you.
Wait, I'm
All right.
curious. What would you name your banana-shaped galaxy?
What is the most unbanana-like thing there?
Apples.
Name it banana.
Name it apples.
Well,
I
They
know.
don't say
That-
apples
name
and
it.
bananas for nothing.
I was gonna
Name
say
it pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple.
Pineapple.
Can I
Pineapple.
make a name
Pineapple.
suggestion?
Yeah.
A roll of
Why
dice.
don't you
Whatever
call
number
it
it lands.
plátano, which is banana in Spanish?
Platano.
It's just a suggestion.
Oh, we're gonna transverse Platano. I'm down for that. That's my place, my galaxy. What a name.
Name all of the planets in your galaxy after a different fruit.
Then why don't I just call it the fruit basket?
Ooh,
Oh,
that
that's
sounds
kinda-
good.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's kind of sharp.
Fruit basket, kiwami arms.
That sounds pretty close to an anime that I know.
I don't know if you guys got the reference.
I think we have a copyright infringement issue.
Oh no.
It's a new galaxy. I don't got to worry about that.
Exactly.
Copyright doesn't exist in this galaxy. Not yet, anyways.
Mm.
Oh.
All right, cool. I think I'm gonna go next then. I'm gonna start sharing my screen. Heck yes.
Okay, so like I'm gonna go and do my setup. I will be back on the account in just a minute.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, my model needs to go away now.
Okay. I actually don't know if audio will stream like this, so I'm just gonna share my whole screen. Share screen, entire screen. Okay. There we go. Can you guys see my screen? So I'll update it on.
Yes.
Okay. Let me toggle myself to be here. Turn off snowy. Okay, cool. It shows up on stream too.
This slideshow has me asking many questions.
All right.
I'm not a,
Hello, sharks. So my presentation, fixing the US court system with something. All right, here's a stat that will shock you. Did you know that 50% of US court cases are dismissed due to insufficient evidence? That's according to ChatGPT yesterday. I really like what it told me yesterday. But this is not okay. Not okay at all. There's so much guilty people, potentially guilty people, walking around on the streets. We need to fix this somehow. All right, so I want you to imagine with me a world where, let's say you commit arson, right? Or you commit a DUI and you get arrested, you get pulled over. What if, like this is you, right? You get pulled over for a DUI, and then just completely out of nowhere, 20 kids just show up and start filming you and taking pictures of you. Isn't this fantastic?
Wow.
This does two things. First, it makes it so that we have ample evidence to convict you in court. And second, it humiliates you so that you'll probably never commit a DUI ever again. So I know what you're thinking, like how and why. How will these kids know to film you at this particular location, right? And also, why do they know that you will, why would they even want to come here, right, to film you? Because there's a Snorlax on your car?
Oh my god.
Introducing Pokemon Go, but the Pokemon only spawn in active crime zones. It's the best invention ever.
Oh,
That's interesting.
Wait, everyone knows what Pokemon Go is, right? It's that game Nintendo released in
I know
2016.
what Pokemon Go is,
Right.
but I never actually
good.
played it.
Yeah, so Pokemon get spawned in real geolocations. You go outside to catch them in augmented reality. Yeah, but they only spawn in active crime zones now. And I actually made a prototype of this. I'm so excited to share this.
Oh my god.
And I'm excited to see it.
Excuse me. Okay, so first you might be wondering, like, Chet, how the heck did you actually implement this? Well, you see, according to ChatGPT, allegedly, most major US cities actually keep a real-time, publicly accessible data set of crimes that are happening. Like when people call in to report 911 emergencies. They have it in a real-time database. So all I have to do is access these databases regularly, figure out what the locations of all the crimes are, and then only spawn Pokemon in those locations. Wow, it's the best thing ever. Okay, so here, I'm gonna do a demo. Okay, so the thing is, I actually have this on my phone right now, but I would actually have to go outside and run around and find the crimes to do this, so I pre-recorded it instead. So, yes, I went outside for the first time in 10 years, and I filmed myself catching Pokemon in crime zones. I hope y'all enjoy. Let me know if you can hear the sound.
Literally?
Well, maybe it's 20. Okay, there you go. Hi everyone, it's
I
Chet.
haven't been
I'm
outside in a
currently
long time.
outside trying to fight crime. Let's go catch some Pokemon and go film some crime. Let's go. Can you guys hear the sound, by the way?
Yeah.
I can.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Okay, I'm so excited right now. Somebody just littered here. Somebody committed a crime. And that means I can report the crime by pressing this orange button down here. And sooner or later, a Pokemon will spawn. Hello? Ah, let's go! Let's go!
Gee, what is that?
Oh my
Why is it embedded inside the concrete?
But I like to Pikachu.
Let's freaking go! Oh. That's what you get for littering.
I love the catching animation.
Yeah, that's my demo.
Wow.
This is the best thing ever, isn't it?
Yeah,
Hi everyone, it's
I read it's
Chet.
really
I'm currently
interesting.
outside trying to.
I actually find it
But
very
yeah, let
interesting.
me. Hi in the chat. Someone says, "How many Pokemon will show up in Congress?" Oh shoot. Well, oh yeah. The thing is, there's only one Pokemon in this game right now. I 3D modeled this Pikachu myself, and I textured
Oh my
it
god.
myself. Yeah, let me go over the key features of this app right now. So I didn't actually have time to implement a map that shows where you are relative to the Pokemon. So you just have this little list right here that shows the crimes and how far away you are to it in meters. It doesn't give you a direction or anything. So you just kind of have to Marco Polo your way to these crime zones. Or play hot and cold.
Okay.
And then there's this orange button down here.
Get it, is this be also shown in miles?
Did you say, can we get in miles too?
Why not? You got it in meters, so you should be able to show it in miles too, right?
Oh yeah, that would be an easy fix actually. You know what? You're probably right. I'm releasing this primarily in America. If I ever plan to release this, so I would probably do better with miles instead of meters. You were absolutely right.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's that part up there. There's a button down here that lets you report a crime or throw a Pokeball. It uses advanced AI to infer what action you're actually trying to do. Okay. Anyways, this isn't a game. So what I'm presenting to you today is an opportunity to fix the justice system in the United States. This product is justice, and you cannot place a price on justice, which is why I'm asking for $1 billion for 1% of my company.
What the?
Thank you, sharks.
Wait,
Justice is
before
priceless.
I put in my offer,
Yeah.
can I ask you, what makes you think this justice is done?
What makes me think this justice is dumb? It's not dumb at all. What are you talking about? We're making kids go to a bunch of dangerous crime zones and filming them and compiling evidence. This is not dumb at all. We're fixing the court system. And we're
You're right.
promoting justice across America.
You're right. That's too dumb for the current state of America.
Yes, not dumb at all.
So, can I offer a
Yes?
jumbo Pikachu plush and a
Whoa.
dollar for
A-
10% stake of your company?
Wow. A jumbo Pikachu and $1
Give me
for
a little
10%. Wow. That is insultingly low. I asked for $1 billion for 1%.
You're supposed to play
Can I
along.
make an offer? Can I make an offer?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I can offer you my entire collection of Pokemon trading card game cards for like 80% of your company.
Oh, your entire Pokemon card collection for 80% of the company. What cards do you have?
I just put it in the chat so in case you didn't understand it.
Wait, what cards do you have? Do you have a Charizard?
Well, let me check.
First edition Charizard.
Well, apart from several by the energy cards, I have a Voltorb, a Fennekin, a Flightling, a Splank, a Poniard, a Babler, a Xerneas, a Golden, a Trainer card, a Nightingale card, Veneure, Caterpie, Heliopter, Predator, Venacle,
Wait, is he actually going through the cards right now?
Yeah.
I think he is.
Yes. A Stadium card, a Celio, a Trainer, and I've got a Murder.
He just said a trainer.
But just so you know, guys, I never actually played the game itself. I never actually played the game itself, just so you know.
Wow. He may have said the Charizard in there, but I can't really understand him, so his microphone is really to his advantage right now.
Wait, that's the fun of it, right? Because when you get the cards, it'll be like roulette.
Wow, he literally read all the cards to me and I still don't know what is in there. It's still gotcha.
Sorry. Sorry if you didn't understand that.
Oh, no, it's okay. It adds to the fun. Okay, so right now from Cherry, I have a Jumbo Pikachu and $1 for 10% of my company. And then Alex is offering me all his Pokemon cards for 80%. I don't quite know what cards he has.
I have a new offer for you.
Oh, yes?
If you look up rarest Pokemon cards in history, whatever
Oh.
is number 3 on the list is what I will offer you.
Number 3.
Whatever's number
That's very
3.
specific.
Wait, let me actually
You
look that up right
you're
now.
the third one presenting. That's totally the reason, not because it's my favorite number.
What is did you say the third best Pokemon card of all time? Third best Pokemon card of all time. According to ChatGPT, it's the first edition base set Charizard. Okay. Or it's the Pikachu Illustrator. Oh, wait, hold on. So this is number 1, 2, 3. 1999 Tropical Mega Battle Tropical card.
No. Let's go with number 1 of third.
Number
You said
1.
you like Charizard, right?
Oh, I do like Charizard. First edition base set Charizard.
Edition Charizard.
Wow, you'll give me one of these? How much is this worth? Wow. Very cool. You could be worth up to 400k. Wow. All right. Well, I did ask for 1 billion for 1%. This is so far the best offer. Mm.
Yeah, that's really pricey for a card. Ow. That's really pricey.
That is very
Worth
pricey.
it.
So yeah, a piece of cardboard being worth hundreds of dollars is pretty crazy.
It's worth it.
Mm.
It's for justice.
It is for justice. All right. Fine. I'll take the Jumbo Pikachu, $1, and this first edition base set Charizard then for
Perfect.
10% of my company. Yay!
I guess we have a deal.
Congratulations.
Thank
We're
you,
gonna
thank
spread justice all over the world. Thank you, Cherry.
you. Yes, we are. We're gonna fight Team Rocket.
Yeah, let's go. Whoa.
Little just
Okay.
I'm for the opposing team.
Yee.
Oh,
Okay, I think Silo has one last presentation. He explicitly asked to go last because this might break his computer. Silo, are you still there?
I think you fell asleep.
Yes, I am here.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
I'm gonna switch you over.
yep, that, all
Um,
right. Unfortunately,
so-
my VTuber model will not work because VTuber Studio does not work in what is called Linux. Yeah,
oh,
so
good.
that's that.
Oh, good. I will switch
Busy.
to your Fujitech one then. Where is your Fujitech? Oh, it's here.
Is it
Okay.
working? I have not tested it out.
Yeah, your Fujitech is working. You're there.
No, like the screen. Is the screen visible?
Oh, let me check. Watch stream. It's
I don't
spinning.
think so.
It's spinning a lot for me.
Let's see. Let me restart it.
Yeah.
Share
Alright.
entire screen.
Oh, let me unshare my screen too.
Okay, it's working from my side.
It's still
still
Let
loading for
me
me.
spinning.
reduce. Yeah, let me reduce it to 480p.
Okay.
You gotta love the college Wi-Fi.
It may have need a refresh. You might need to close it out and reopen it.
Yep, I'm trying that. But like from my side, it's showing the screen being shared, but it's not visible on Discord for some reason.
I wonder if it's better if I set my region to somewhere else. It's giving me the option to set region. Are you near like India or something? You've been disconnected.
Okay, what's going on?
Uh,
Um,
uh,
I think something is wrong with my side.
Oh, okay.
I mean, if it does not work, I will just have to do a scuff presentation using my camera, pointing at a screen.
Okay, that's fine too.
Yeah, okay, this is not working. I'm just gonna close that. Let me start up my camera without trying to reveal my face accidentally. That would go horribly wrong. Okay. Let me just cover my camera first. I don't trust myself.
Yeah. Don't accidentally do a face reveal, man.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Okay, it's showing my laptop. Okay. There we go.
Oh, sick.
Uh, Let me move this up.
Hmm. It's like vertical, by the way. It's like tilted 90
I can
degrees.
see it.
Oh, I wait, can I? Okay, no, that's for rotating the camera. If I were to do this, was thing adjust. Okay, there's no option for me to rotate my camera. I guess I will just have to do it by hand. Anyway, so how many of you guys use Linux? Like occasionally?
I do.
Come
Yeah.
again?
Okay. Okay. So let's say you are working on something very important, as you can see right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And you want to have some fun. You wanna play some Russian roulette, but you don't want it to be safe. So let's just say we are gonna play operating system roulette. It's a basic Python code. It's basically guess the number. But if you guess the number, this happens. As you can see, os.system rm-rf no preserve root slash.
Oh.
The people who have used Linux will know what that is gonna do.
Right.
Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna uncomment it.
Oh. Well, I
The
hope you don't
system has
guess
now
it.
the system has now been armed and I'm gonna do Python 3. Okay, so what do we want to guess?
Oh my goodness.
3, okay. Let me just make sure nothing is gonna explode really quick. Okay, so like this is on my pen drive. So only this pen drive is gonna explode. Everything else is gonna be on all right.
All right.
I'm so
All right.
scared.
Hopefully, I hope nothing else gets deleted because everything important is on here.
I'm
Like I'm not
the one
joking.
that covered our
Okay,
ears
here we
just
go.
in case. We made the one that covered our ears.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Wow, the first try.
It's okay.
2.
Oh wait, permission denied. Well, I mean I could not have tested it before doing this, so let's just try again. Okay, okay, it actually deleted the code itself. The code is missing. I cannot run the code. Okay, this was not planned. Oh wait. Okay. Guys, it happened. Download could not be found. Music not found. Home is opening. Let me try something. Uh, CD slash ls. Okay, there are some things right here. But like the operating system is broken now. I kind of stopped it like in mid of that, so it's not completely broken. But it's now still like no. It's like I can no longer use this. I have to reset my whole pen drive.
Wow.
It's like yeah, it's eventually gonna like fall apart once everything is out of the RAM. As if I go here, somehow it still works. Once like this clears out, it will not boot again. I can, I think I can do the demonstration for that. If I do
Ooh.
restart,
Wow.
Oh, oh.
It's okay, it's blurry.
Okay, that was not planned.
Oh, gee. I have a question. Wouldn't this app be dangerous in the wrong hands?
Hopefully, it should say like the files are corrupted. Hopefully.
Oh boy.
Yeah, because I kind of stopped it in maybe. Okay, never mind. It is still somehow working. I need to like delete it, the whole operating system, and reinstall it again.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh,
Anyway,
my.
so that was my presentation. I kind of scuffed it at the end. Should not have cancelled it.
I loved it.
I feel like
I love
this
it
app
too.
would be dangerous in the wrong hands.
Anyway, so I would like to request for $1,000, and you can also have your whole machine broken just like me.
Okay. I would like to offer
Yep.
$3,000 since that's
Whoa.
the number you
Whoa.
inputted
Ooh, that
for the
sounds nice.
entirety of the code for me to use any way I want to.
Let me call my lawyer.
Wait, I have an
Go ahead.
offer. I want to make an offer. That's hands down
Yeah.
one of the dumbest things I've ever seen. The fact that it deleted itself that you can't use it anymore.
That's what makes
Okay.
it perfect, though.
I want to offer the Pikachu plush that Cherry gave me for 10% of your company.
Wow.
Hey, I value that Pikachu plush a lot. So,
You're right. It's worth a lot.
yeah, it's worth a lot.
Okay, so can you repeat that again? I'm like doing something.
I want to give you the Pikachu plush that Cherry gave me for 10% of your company.
That sounds nice.
Yeah, doesn't it? I'll also
What's
give
the
you
catch?
the catch. There's no catch.
Yep.
Here, I'll also throw in half of that Charizard card that Cherry also gave me.
Oh my god. You're gonna cut it in half and like ruin the value. But okay.
Yeah.
Well, we can split the ownership of it or we can cut it. It's up to you.
I would like to split the ownership.
Oh, split ownership. Okay. So Pikachu plush, 50% of the Charizard card. For 10% of your company.
All right.
Oh, we have a deal?
Yep.
Yeah, let's go. Wait, really? Nobody else wants to make deals?
I just want the code to use.
I mean,
on
no
my
one else
device.
offered it.
Congratulations.
Harry's gonna be the one that is the wrong hands that Alex was talking about.
Exactly. A code that deletes itself is perfect.
There's no evidence.
Exactly. This is the smartest
There
thing
is
I've
no
ever
evidence of the
seen.
crime committed.
Wait, hold on. You're not gonna code
Wait,
it
let me-
again for me to get it?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we will have to remake it from scratch. That
Oh,
will
that's
take
okay.
1,000 years, so please wait.
No,
1,000 years.
Okay.
Oh my god.
it's okay. I think it's dumb enough. I will take it. Congrats, yay!
Okay, so
I mean-
like an update. The operating system somehow recovered because I stopped it in midst of deletion, and now it's reset
Wow.
back to like when it was original. So I need to set it up again for some reason.
Oh,
I don't know how.
wait, it's working? Your computer's still working?
Yeah.
Okay, I would like to retract my offer then.
Too late. I already took your money, and I'm now running away.
No,
Wow.
screw you, man.
So I'm gonna cancel that bank transfer right now.
Oh, well, yeah, I'm using Cherry's money, so. Ah, sucker.
Great try, great try. I would have preferred it if it actually trashed the OS system, but this is fine.
Yeah.
I'll just
The Pokemon stuff are still with Cherry, so you can't
They
have
just
gotten
need to
anything
stop
yet.
it halfway.
I
Like,
want it
if
to be
you-
unstoppable.
Yeah. It's less dumb now. Okay. Anybody else have deals?
Man, all my files are deleted. My whole new okay. Everything is gone except the operating system.
Wow. The
Hey,
one
but
thing
the
we
computer-
to remove.
I have a comment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just wanted to say that I have never seen anyone delete their operating system, and this was definitely an experience of all time.
I mean, I can continue it right now, but
Never seen that
we will not be
before.
able to see a
And let me
Python
just
code
say
because
that
the
it's
Python code
really
got
dumb to
deleted.
do so.
Wait, sorry, what did you say?
And
So, like,
also
the
never
Python
seen
code got
someone
deleted, but I
their own
can do it
operating
right now.
system. And let me just say that it's really dumb. Okay?
Wait,
I would
sorry,
never do that.
I'm so sorry.
Sir, can you please use Google Translate?
Wait, Alex, maybe you want to type that in chat?
Okay.
I mean, you're definitely not breaking up like last episode, but
Yes, that's it.
Well,
yeah.
I did also want to come in and say that I do have to leave in a little bit, but this was literally so much fun.
Oh wait, before you leave, do you guys want to decide on a winner? Like the Sharks decide on one winner for this episode?
Ooh.
Yes. I think we should vote.
Yeah.
Before we decide on a winner,
Can I make that drama?
does anyone want to see the operating system cripple?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So basically, the Python code got ripped apart. So I'm just gonna do it like this, the good old fashioned way.
Wow.
So like this is the whole command. RM is for remove, R dash RF is for like recursively, and this is to like force it because there is a safety mechanism. And if I do this, everything is getting deleted, as you can see.
Whoa,
Oh.
Wow.
that's pretty cool.
We may
Wait,
have to
can
put that
I
out
vote
for
on
back in.
this to be the winner? Just because I feel like the dedication is like insane.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's still going.
Oh, like my system is gonna fall apart. It's gonna take like a little bit of time because there are so many files.
Wow. Is it actually deleting the OS this time?
Yeah. See, I can no longer click.
Oh,
Wait,
my.
wait. My offer is back
Okay,
on the
done.
table. I'll give you the
Monkey.
Pikachu and the half a Charizard card.
It's completed. Okay, so if I were to try an open system monitor, it should not work. Yep, it's not opening.
Wow. I'd like to double my offer.
I'll give you the entire Charizard card.
Wait. Yeah, as you can see, the reboot command is not found, meaning it also got deleted.
Wow. I like to
So
triple
like
my
it's
offer.
gonna take a little bit of time before the whole operating system collapses on itself.
I want to
I
read
cannot even open up the settings. Everything is done. It's gone.
Wow.
Now I need to reinstall
Alright.
it now, and hopefully the other files did not get corrupted. I need
Silo.
to on my laptop now. This was very very risky.
Take it, Silo. Take my Pikachu and Charizard.
Should we start with the voting with Z before they leave?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I have to leave for a meeting, and it takes time to commute. So, I mean, I have to say the OS deleting was really never in a million years would I have imagined actually seeing someone delete their OS ever. So I'm gonna put my vote down for that. Um,
Mm.
I agree. Mhm. Not that it's my vote, but I agree.
well, I did want to say that all the projects that were showcased today were like really cool. I'm blown away. So thank you guys for making this so funny.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thanks for coming on.
Right.
And I'll have to find a banana-shaped galaxy as well. Looks like.
Oh,
Good
thank
luck
you.
with that.
Yep. If I find one in the Rubin Observatory's first look images, I'll send it to you, and you can name it Fruit Basket.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you so much for having me, and well, I hope to see you all soon.
Yeah. Thank you, V.
Hi.
I
Bye,
will see you
Z.
guys later. Bye.
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 See ya.
Wah.
Cool. Oh, Cherry, what is your vote?
Okay. I will say, everything I've seen today is amazing. The first step, the encoding output, I think that could be used as a secret language with friends. So there is some value there. I will say that. I will say the calculator impressed me a lot. However, my vote will ultimately go to kids, giving us justice.
Let's go! Yeah! Whoa!
Yes. They won't ever
Thank
catch
you.
me.
I suppose it's my turn to cast my vote, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Okay, I do feel like the answers shown today were really interesting. The tokenizer, the Pokemon Go lookalike, and an app that destroys operating systems. But I feel like the third app would be very dangerous in the wrong hands. So my vote will go to Chad. My vote goes to you, Chad. Congrats.
Yay!
Yo, let's go! Whoa! Thank you, Alex. Let's go!
You're welcome.
Uh,
All right, Levi.
okay, so like I said earlier, I really enjoy the idea of a calculator that's dumber than me. Deleting your entire OS is insane. Like I
know, right?
don't have words for that. And children giving us justice through Pokemon Go is really cool too.
Yeah.
But I think I have to go with Snowy just because I really like a calculator that's dumber than me.
Oh,
Hey, let's go!
someone that gets me. Bless your heart.
Wait, how many votes were for Silo?
Z. Z voted
Oh.
Yeah, I
for
think-
Silos OS breaking.
I think it was
Oh.
1 and 2. So.
Wait, can we? Maybe we can vote too. I want to put a vote to Silo too.
You, it was so cool.
Wait, Snowy
a
and
lot
Silo,
of
you guys can vote too. I will allow it.
I'm good.
I
I'm
will
gonna
give
say-
my vote to the calculator.
What the fuck?
I guess
I've
people love
never-
the calculator.
The
Mhm.
calculator idea is okay, but I've only ever heard of the mysterious RMRF, and it was very interesting to actually see it happen.
Mm.
Fuck.
Oh, so your vote is for Silo too?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Silo, you win. Let's go. Whoa. Congratulations, Silo.
I'm the honored one.
What are you gonna do with your winnings? You have like a Pikachu, a Charizard. I don't know what you got on your other deal.
$3,000.
I don't really care about the Pokemon, so I'm just gonna auction those away.
What? Come on, man.
Well, you have to sell the card.
Yeah, at least sell
Yeah.
it. It's worth like
Yeah, sell the
400k.
card. Yeah.
Oh, it's actually worth nothing because I never said it was authentic.
Oh no.
Dang.
You got it off of Temu. Come on.
Exactly.
You've been bamboozled.
All right. Well, it's Silas' problem now, not mine.
That is not allowed. I'm gonna call Microsoft tech support.
All right then. Well, I think that's the end. Thank you to everyone who came. Does anyone have stuff they want to plug or shout out at the end before we leave?
Well, I just wanted to say, thanks for coming me once again. Thanks for
Yeah.
coming me once again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for fixing your audio too, Alex.
You're welcome. And I want to do it again for the next episode. I
Yeah.
want to judge again for the next episode.
Anybody else have stuff they want to plug?
I'm so sleepy. Go to bed. Plug.
Okay. Well, on my side,
Guys,
we're gonna have. Oh, go ahead.
Follow Newaverse on Twitter. It's like an actual project that I'm working on. It's not for memes. It's like an actual project.
Oh, the tokenizer thing you showed in the
Oh.
beginning.
Yeah. That's an actual project. It's like it's not for this one. I thought why not show it also.
I see.
Yep.
Oh, well,
So, like,
sorry I
that's
said
an
it was the
actual
worst thing on the
project that I'm
market. I shouldn't have said that then.
No. I know it's bad. I know it is bad because it should have been better.
Yeah. All right. Well, on my end, I'm doing this again in 3 weeks. The next episode will contain. Who the heck is the next episode? I think it's. Dang it, I had to scroll down.
God damn it.
Next episode
I
contains.
want to judge
Oh,
again for an episode.
Cherry will be coding in episode 3 plus BMO plus
Yes.
Benorine.
Ooh.
Yeah. She's here early
Be
as a judge.
excited.
I'm so excited too. All right.
Would you
Anything
like to
else?
switch roles? You code, I did.
Oh, you want to judge too? You could do that actually.
I
Yeah.
want to judge, I want to be a judge again.
I mean.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Hey Levi, you got anything you want to say?
I'm good.
Okay. Well, thanks everyone for coming then. I'm gonna shut down the stream. Thanks everyone in the chat too.
Ew.
Bye.
Thanks for coming.
Bye.
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 Bye bye. Thank you.